I will teach you how to book a VIP bus from Malaysia to Singapore. When I say VIP bus, ito yung mga naka-lazy boy yung seats, naka-recline, merong sariling TV, merong charging port, may binibigay na blankets and meals. Maraming travelers din ang nagkakamali sa pagbubook ng bus. Akala nila yung VIP bus na yung nabubuk nila pero it's just an ordinary bus. So I'm here to help out. And may nagtatanong din sa akin kung paano daw i-book yung bus na yun. Para hindi na rin ako paulit-ulit, here's a video na lang and might as well share it sa ibang travelers. So, let's go to my laptop. So, go to easybook.com, select bus, origin. I'll be in Malaysia. But in Singapore to Malaysia, Malaysia to Singapore. And then, let's try November 24. This one is optional. And then, 3 people. So, here are the bus companies. Nung nag-travel kami, nag-Transtar kami. To know if you're going for a VIP lazy bus na seat, is pag 15 to 18 lang ang upuan. Pag more than that, like this one, 25. So this one is the layout for 25 seats. Ayan, marami yan. Pag VIP bus, ganito lang yung layout no bus. May lower deck, may upper deck. So this will be the indication na VIP bus yung nabook nyo. I recommend wag sa likod kasi medyo matagtag pag sa likod. Kasi nung time namin likod kami. If you want to see our experience sa bus na to, I'll just put the link at the description box and watch the whole video. Nandun po lahat kung saan kami bumaba, anong sinakyan namin, paano yung process then sa immigration, paano yung buong experience. So, the link will be down below. Masyadong mataas din ng price if naka-VIP yung bus. And then, konti lang din ang kanyang biyahe. Merong 7 a.m., may hapon, may 2 p.m., and then the last one is 5. You just have to do your research kung saan kayo pwedeng sumakay, but these are the only options that we have. And same with pagdating nyo sa Singapore. These are the only option. Kami, nung time namin, we were near sa Jurong East. Ganyan dapat ang itsura. So, let's just pick randomly. I will book this one. Kuno. And yeah. Tatlo. And then, you'll just have to enter all of the details na hinihingi and proceed to payment. Once everything is done, you will receive confirmation email. All of the details. So far, naging safe naman na aming travel from Malaysia to Singapore thanks to Transtar. Hindi rin kami nagutom. Regarding sa bathroom breaks, meron isang one-stop lang. Yun lang yung pinaka-stop. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!